morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices climbed as US Treasury yields slipped ahead of a House vote to reopen the government, a move that could revive economic data releases and bolster expectations for a Federal Reserve rate cut in December. Wall Street's main indexes were mixed, with the Dow at a record high and the Nasdaq lagging peers, as investors rotated out of technology stocks while monitoring progress on a likely end to the historic US government shutdown. Strategy has seen its dominance among corporate Bitcoin holders decline in October amid slower purchases and a growing number of companies adding crypto to their treasuries. The company still leads as the largest Bitcoin treasury holder with 640,808 BTC.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.